Hello everyone, welcome to another video, and today we are here in Space Engine. As you can see, we're starting here at Earth. Today we are just going to be checking out some random planets. We're gonna try finding some ringed planets, maybe a planet with life, but I'm not gonna search using that. I'm gonna have to search by myself to find it. Gotta find. My mission is just to find a ringed planet and some life. Like a ringed planet with life would be cool to find. Like, just look how realistic Space Engine is. Like, if someone took a picture of this and told me, is this real or fake? I would think it's real, as long as these were all gone. If you look out here, if you guys haven't played Space Engine, you really need to get it. It's like only $30 or so. And you see all these stars, they just look like normal stars, but if I click on one, go to the star, F2, well, I guess it's just not working. Okay, let's go to another random star. F2 planet. This looks like a cool planet right here. Let's see. Whoa, yeah, this looks cool. If you guys have never seen this channel called, it's like a solar balls animator called like Mother Nature or something. But I swear this is what her OC looks like. I have to snap a picture of this. Screenshot. Sweet. Yeah, this is cool. Look. Oh, cool. It has a little moon. Wow. Yeah, let's just go to the surface. Let's go see. First, let's go. Whoa. There's the eclipses. So I guess let's go find a spot we should land at. Ooh, hurricane. Well, that's actually really cool. They have hurricanes in this. I guess let's go to the eye of the hurricane. Whoa, look at this. This looks insane. Out of a straight out of a movie. Like, look at this. You got one of its moons there. We're in the middle of a freaking hurricane. Well, it's not. I'm not even sure what you would call this. There's no water on the surface of this planet. It wouldn't. Whoa, mountains. Yeah. So I guess that's it for this planet. Wait, what is this? Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, it's a mountain. A volcano. We got some lava there. So I guess as we go, now what we're gonna let's look into the rings first. That's probably one of the coolest things that you could do in this game. Saturn's rings, any rings, you enter them. Particles everywhere. Oh, it has lag, but all of these are particles that are working to make the rings really realistically. I don't know how my computer is handling this. I can't even handle when I'm up close to them. I don't really know what happens for it not to lag. But I guess as we go away from that system, we can leave behind. We're going to check out one more planet here in... Well, actually, we're not going to be in the Milky Way anymore. Well, I guess we're near the Milky Way, but now we're going to be right outside of the Milky Way. I think we should check out one more after this here. Whoa, this is cool. 2 stars in the system. Okay, I got some cheese dust on here. It ate some Cheetos. Got cheesy fingers. Cheeto dust planet. I'm just gonna call this a Cheeto dust planet. Well, Cheeto dust planet looks cool. And then we got some rings of that planet. But now for this next one, we're gonna go far away from the Milky Way. Still, we're gonna be kind of in the Milky Way. Like, we're gonna be to a star that's orbiting far out from the Milky Way. Like, maybe that's a cluster. I go to this object. We can go pick one of these outer stars. Okay, it does have a planet. That is a gas giant, so we're just gonna go to one of its moons. Now we're gonna go to the night side of it. Now we're gonna observe the Milky Way from here. It's not in view yet. Okay, I'm just gonna do a Milky Way. Okay. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Oh no. Whoa. Just imagine living on this planet. Now, I can probably move closer. This looks like parts where day is just starting to break. But here it is. The Milky Way galaxy, but we're outside of it. This is just insane to see. Let me just give you guys a moment to observe. Okay, observing time is over. Just blast off. So I think I've decided I'm gonna make 1 or 2 videos a day. I think I'm only gonna make 1 video today, but this is gonna be a long video. As you can probably see, this is probably like, I'm probably gonna try making this 30 or something minutes. So let's see, we go down. Let me just at least go see what we're at right now. We're about 7 minutes in. Let's go observing. Let's go here. Looks like the Milky Way. Let's go in here. Click on a random star in here. Look around. That looks like a good star. Go planets. Planets. Go to the one of the gas giant. Ooh. Temperate Super Terra. Oh, we found water! We found water! It's not life, but it's water. Whoa. Okay, I guess we didn't find the life, but we found water. Apparently this doesn't have life. And the ground is pink too. Oh, it's not pink. It's just what it looks like. Actually, it is kind of pink. It's more of an orangish color when you get down here. But it is kind of a pinkish color. So let's see. Here's the water. So right here is the beach. Goes out here into the water. Here it is. A super Earth. Well, I guess it's not like a super Earth, but this is a pretty, like, look at this. I can go out here into the ocean. Geez, this is actually a shallow ocean. Yeah, this is pretty shallow for being an ocean. Look at this. This is almost not an ocean, but I do know it is an ocean. It's water on the surface of this planet, which is cool. It has rings. It has like a really, like when it's like really light rings. I can probably see if I turn my exposure all the way. Well, I guess this is with the exposure really high up. The exposure really high up, we'll be able to see tons of stuff out here. The normal exposure. Oh. This should be a normal exposure. Okay, so here it is, the super Earth. Let's go take a picture of the super Earth. Well, why am I calling it super Earth? It's not really a super. Cool. It also. Whoa, this is. Whoa. Whoa. This is incredible. I also have. I'm probably going to use one of these photos for the thumbnail. So, one of these are probably going to be a thumbnail. Maybe something from here. I gotta take another picture from in here. These are cool. Yeah, this is 100% gonna be the thumbnail, unless I find something cooler. That looks like rings, but it's just a hurricane. Let's take one last photo, but from another picture from near some water, like this, land here. Let's do that. So, one of these are gonna be thumbnail. I guess let's say bye-bye to this. We've been here long enough. Here we go. Blasting off. Let's go to another random galaxy somewhere out here. Ooh. Yeah, that's a bright galaxy right there. For some reason, all the bright galaxies seem to be these types. I guess I'm gonna go check this out. Well, lots of stars in here. I can't search for stuff. Oh, okay, let's go enter. This is just a random star here. Does have planets. This planet has rings. And it also looks really cool. So, ooh, it's like a desert. This entire planet is just like Mars, but blue sky. Yeah, we're gonna call this blue skied Mars. This is basically what it is. Blue skied Mars, the future of Mars, if Mars had a blue sky. And it's also gonna have rings. Let's go see. I wonder if, oh yes, I always love these moons. These moons are always so cool, being in between a ring system. So now we go land on it, and here we are, inside of a ring system, this planet. This is really, really cool. You can also see some of the other moons here. Well, that's really weird of a hurricane. Also, we're gonna go take a photo of these. That's really cool. Okay, next planet, here we go. We're gonna stay in this one. So here we go. Ooh, these are some hot planets. This This one looks pretty cool. Why are all these planets I'm finding have really light rings? Oh, my cat's in my room. Wait, I don't even have my door open. Okay, I'm gonna go sit down my headset for a moment to... the cat can survive in here for a few more minutes. Stormy's her name. Okay, well, back to here. She thinks she's trying to get out. So I'm gonna leave for a moment. I'll just let you observe this planet go here. So just observe this closely. Okay, sorry everyone. So, we got some volcanoes on this. Well, I think we've seen enough of this planet. We go bye-bye now. Okay, what was that? Oh, it's gone now. I don't think anyone's finding that planet anymore. I guess there's the name of it. Okay, that's just a random star, I guess? Ooh, that's a cool looking planet. I am pretty sure, no, it's not a gas giant. Wait, is it a gas giant? I'm not sure. It is a gas giant. This is really weird to be on a gas. This is the weirdest gas giant I've ever seen. It kind of reminds me of Neptune or Uranus. Ooh. This gas giant too. No. This has a solid surface and its sky is green. So let's also visit a moon here. Whoa. This is really cool. So this is what, if this was habitable, this is what people would see at night. This giant thing. I guess let's go really close to it. Let's go. I don't really know what they were thinking when they added a black void inside of gas giants. Here we go. I think we can say goodbye to this galaxy. Bye-bye. Let's find this. Let's keep an eye on that one till we're so far that we can't even see that dot anymore. I can still see that galaxy. Yeah, we're gonna see that galaxy for a while. Ooh, I know it looks red because we're far away. I'm pretty sure that's what happens when you're far away. They look red. Whoa! This is like a spiral galaxy. But it's like, this doesn't have that many stars actually. Like, this actually seems, it appears to have a bunch of blue stars, so I'm not really sure what types of planets we're gonna actually find in here. Let's go to one of these random stars inside the star cluster. Got some planets. Ooh. That looks pretty cool. Ooh, yeah. Look at this. Oh, does it have rings? The ring test? No, it does not have rings. you can see the star's corona, which is pretty cool. So I guess we just, I feel like the nights on this planet would be bright. Like, look at all these volcanoes on the surface. Like, this is apparently nighttime. This does not look like nighttime. What the? That is weird. That star cluster is so close to this other star cluster. And that other star... Wow, there's so many star clusters. I want to find a star that's right outside of... especially a planet in here. Ooh. Let's go check out these ring planets. I like this one a lot. It has a bunch of craters. It's like the moon. So we got another one of these moons that are inside of the ring systems. They make flat out just holes. Well, there must be another moon orbiting in here. Yes. If you're playing this game and you see a ring system that has a giant hole in it, that probably means there's probably a little moon in here. Kind of like how Saturn also has that. And geez, these are some big moons. And close moons. So let's go to one of these craters. This looks like a cool spot. We got crater. Oh. Geez, why am I getting blinded? Thought I resetted that. So there's the star cluster, which is pretty cool. For this next one, let's see. How long have I been making this video too? Okay, I think even though I said this is going to be a 30-minute video, you can probably tell it's not. But the last area that we're going to go, we're going to find a planet that's right outside of a nebula. So, I guess, let's go change the brightness of the nebulas. Nebula, right, yeah. I thought I changed that. Oh, galaxies, that makes everything. Nebula, clusters, stars, planets. Let's actually see if I turn all of these down. A little bit. Oh yeah, it's not really changing much. Clusters, nebula. I think we're gonna, I guess, let's go. Did I accidentally turn them off? Oh, I guess I did. Nebula. Okay. I guess let's just go find a nebula somewhere in here. The Heart Nebula? The Heart Nebula. That's actually not that bright. I want to find a bright nebula. Like, it has to be extreme. This looks good. It appears that there's like no stars in here. Looks like we got one star. This star somehow has planets in here. What's this? Oh, I think this is a neutron star. Whoa. I guess it's just head back out. So I guess we're gonna just try finding a star that's pretty close. That looks pretty close. No, it does have a planet. It actually has a planet with tons of moons. Okay, so the last planet is this. It got scratches on it. And lastly, the view of the nebula from the surface. There it is. Let's go. So it's there. No, I'd have to turn like this for it to be realistic. So there it is. What's that? Oh, another nebula? This is actually really close by. Bro, this looks like an open gate. Like this star. Oh, it doesn't have no moon. Why did I say moon? Planets. And whoa! Is this water? Oh no. No water on this moon, sadly. It does look cool though. So there's the Nebula. So it would be pretty bright, but so thank you guys for watching this video. This is gonna be the only video I'm posting today. I'm trying to find a series for the Minecraft Let's Play. I haven't found it yet. That was me snapping a Lego. That's so loud. Bye-bye.